Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you a really quick and simple tutorial on creating an offset pattern in Photoshop. So we're just going to start here with a new document that's 1000 by 1000 pixels. You can use a larger or smaller size, just make sure that it's a square. So I'm just going to use this really simple sunflower image that I have here to create this pattern. Just going to drag it into my new document. Put that away. And so we're just going to center this. It doesn't have to be 100% in the center, but just pretty close. And you don't want it to be touching the sides. You want it to be kind of in from the sides, just like so, like as I have it here. So you're going to go to Layer, Duplicate Layer. Make sure it's not moving at all. Don't move it in any way. And go into Filter, Other, Offset. And for the offset, I have 500 and 500, which is exactly half of the size of my document size. So you'll have to adjust that depending on what size your document is. So if it's 5,000 pixels, it'll have to be 2,500 and 2,500, and so on. So click OK, and there is pretty much your pattern. Now, I don't know why it does this sometimes, where it's not quite exactly on it. Anyway, just make sure that all the corners of that layer are lining up so that it will line up in your final pattern. So to make sure that the pattern has worked, you can go into Edit, Define Pattern, and it will create a new pattern for you. So then we'll test it by going to File, New, and make a new document that's a little bit larger. Unlock the background layer, just like that, and go to Layer, Layer Style, Pattern Overlay. Scroll down to the bottom and your pattern should be there, and apply it. There you go. Now you can make it smaller or larger depending on your patterning needs. But that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments below if there are any other tutorials that you would like me to cover on this channel. See ya!